To perform a first setup on a Tapo C425 camera, first you will need to download an app called Tapo on your smartphone device or iPhone device. Then when you have that app installed, we can move to the camera. What you need to do is click and hold the power button until your camera switches on.
Camera on.
Then click on the Tapo app. Make sure to log in and allow any access it will ask for, and click on Add Device. Now we can look for C425 in the search options and click on it like that. We need to confirm that the LED lamp right here is flashing with red and green light. If not, you will need to perform a reset by sticking the something very thin on the reset button right there. Click and hold it until it glows like this, and then click on already red and green. We need to connect our Tapo device with the Wi-Fi network and return to the app. So open a Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone or iPhone and look for the Wi-Fi called Tapo. Here it is. Click on it. Now it's connected and we can go back to the app. Now we need to wait till it's actually found and synchronized. And finally, right here, we can connect our Wi-Fi network with the camera. So choose one that you'll be using for the camera where it will be placed. Let me just balance the camera. Now we can rename our camera, pick a place where you want it to be, and choose an icon for it. And right after that, our camera setup should be finished, and the camera will be visible in the app. And it's finished.